Welcome to the course overview video for the Construction Fundamentals course, Interiors and Finish Site Work. When you look at a construction project, it probably seems pretty complicated, and in reality, it is. But just like any big project, if you break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces, it becomes more manageable. That's what we'll do in this series of Construction Fundamentals courses. We will dissect the building and look at every single material and system to better understand how a building is designed and built. So in this fourth course, Interiors and Finish Site Work, you will learn about the different wall types and types of partitions, and the purpose for each. You'll also learn about the construction sequence for building interior partitions, roughing in the walls, and the different types of drywall and levels of drywall finishes. After that, you'll start learning about the options for wall paint, flooring, ceiling finishes, and casework, and the key considerations for properly installing finished materials. You will then learn how to identify the specialties in a building, the sequence for installing those specialties, and you will learn about the typical options for furnishings. We will then shift our emphasis outdoors and will identify the issues to consider when designing asphalt pavement. You will learn about the construction sequencing for curbs, gutters, and asphalt paving. You will also learn about typical hardscape options such as paths, drives, and site walls. We will wrap up this fourth course discussing typical landscape options, the construction sequencing for landscaping, and for the other site work items needed to complete the site work. In all of these construction fundamentals courses, you will learn about the sequence of construction and the relationships between all the different construction activities on site. You will be able to identify all the different parts and pieces in a commercial building. Over time, you will start developing a construction and engineering vocabulary, which will give you the credibility you need on the job site. You will become much more effective in solving problems because you will be speaking the same language as other construction industry professionals. Before you know it, you'll be able to answer the question why. Why are steel beams shaped the way that they are? Why does one building have deep foundations while another has shallow foundations? When you can precisely answer questions like these regarding every scope in the building, you will become a very valuable member of the project team. For information regarding any of our construction fundamentals courses or to sign up for an online course, please visit vdci.edu.